Hello, so today I did something that I haven't done in a long time, which I should have done. Cook. And I cooked something really easy, spaghetti. But even that I could not do very well. I um I I put the pan on a burner and it wasn't heating very well, and I just waited forever and it just never boiled. And then my friend said, "Oh, you have to put the lid on it." So I didn't know that. So I put the lid on it, and then I put it on another burner, and that finally got the water to boil. And then I cooked the spaghetti pretty good. But then I couldn't find a strainer, so I kept the lid on it, and I tried to drain the noodles over the sink, and a lot of them fell into the sink. So I had to get them back out of the sink. And then I made enough for two portions. Um, and I just bought some spaghetti sauce and I heated it in a pan and I put some olives, onions, and mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms. So why am I telling you about this? Because it's just one of those things where if you just get yourself doing something, you can get your mind off of other things, especially the tinnitus. So I got so involved in making the spaghetti that I didn't have time to think about my tinnitus. I was too busy screwing up my cooking. But finally, I got a meal out of it, and I'm eating it now, and it's pretty good. So I'm just saying, like, if you can think of things where you have to be doing something and you have to stay busy doing something, that's a good way to get your mind away from the tinnitus or anxiety or whatever it is that you're having. So it's just a suggestion. I didn't do very good cooking today, but it was fun trying. And I did a pretty good job not making a mess. I got everything cleaned up good, so yeah. So anyways, that's my video for today. I didn't have much to say, but yeah, find something to do, get busy doing it so you don't just sit there, get busy doing something and get your mind off of it.